We are a personal injury law firm down in Sarasota, Florida. What we do is we help people who are injured in accidents get compensated for their injuries.
Within our law firm, Waybook, it's the foundation. It's who has what position. What does each position in the firm do? Any sort of policy, it's all there. It holds people accountable.
Before Waybook, we had no training online. We were having to do everything in person with each individual employee. And it was just so repetitive. We, of course, end up forgetting some of the things that we were saying from one paralegal to another. Having Waybook allowed us to have everything in writing, down pat, but in an interesting way as well, adding photographs, adding videos as well. I would say Waybook saved us $60,000. We've been able to be efficient and get things done, training, onboarding, without having an HR person because we have Waybook. So yeah, I'm not getting paid to review Waybook. I just like the product and I like the people as well. It's just easy to work with them. They get back to you right away. They are working day in and day out. I'm talking nights, talking to us, and we really, really appreciate that about them.
What were the kind of core challenges that you were looking to solve when you kind of came to Waybook?
When we were looking for a platform, a program to be able to organize everything. I don't know exactly how we found you guys at Waybook. I think it was my partner, Patrick. But then we did the demo. We demoed some other companies. We really liked what you had to offer. The issues we were seeing in our firm is it was always send out an email and then that was a policy. Then we get new employees. They don't have that email. We didn't have it in a set spot. And so it was always retraining. It took a lot of time, money, and effort to continuously retrain. Having everything in one spot has allowed us to be more efficient, bring people on, new employees on, and have them hit the ground running.
Before Waybook, we had no training online. We were having to do everything in person with each individual employee, having to say the same thing every single time a new paralegal came on. And it was just so repetitive. We, of course, end up forgetting some of the things that we were saying from one paralegal to another because it wasn't written down in one place. Some of the paralegals were forgetting what we told them, so they were forgetting what was being said. Having Waybook allowed us to have everything in writing, down pat, but in an interesting way as well, adding photographs, adding videos as well, which we're adding daily too, whenever we are recording any type of training session, which we strive to do weekly.
Or how Waybook lives within your business.
Within our law firm, Waybook, it's the foundation. It's who has what position. What does each position in the firm do? What's our dress code policy? What's any sort of policy? It's all there. And it holds people accountable. So as we were saying before, it was always new people would come in. We forget, what's important, what we should be training them on. Because at different times, different things are important. But it holds everyone accountable. It holds us accountable because if we have it written down and we have changed policy, we have an updated Waybook, that's on us. But it also holds the staff accountable because they can't say they didn't know. So since we are a law firm, there's a lot of intricacies in everything we do. And there's also no room for mistake or error. So having everything written down in one spot, so it's not all over the place. It just creates continuity throughout the firm.
Of course, some of the most valuable things that you felt as a business via having Waybook.
I found Waybook to be most valuable in training because we have everything written down. We're drilling in their head with videos. We're going to start doing the quizzes soon. We're really excited about that. Also, when it comes to just day-to-day protocol, right? Just everyone wearing the same thing to work, being on the same page for who does what part of the case. It's also just been invaluable for, having other employees take on new positions within the firm. So they can just read the quick manual, already have known quite a bit of what's going on, but then get into the more detailed portions that they weren't looking at before. And we love that customization also with Waybook to allow our marketing team to have all of their, policies, procedures, but no one else in the firm can see those things. So kind of just keeping things separate also within the firm has been really great and important as well. So we just love all of these things about Waybook.
A lot of the value in Waybook is the fact that people have different learning styles. So some people are visual learners. Some people are, have to listen to learn. Others need to do to learn. And Waybook allows you to have all those different types of teaching methods in one spot. So we have videos showing people how to do stuff, then it writes it out. It really allows you to have everything you need in order to teach different types of learners.
What would you say are some of the most common uses of your team?
First and foremost, our team uses Waybook a lot when we have a new policy or procedure that we just want to quickly get out to the firm, because we get it uploaded. And what's nice is that, you push out a major update, it alerts everyone within the firm. They have to look at it. Then we know, okay, who has looked at it, who has not looked at it. So accountability as well, but just getting the word out to everybody at the firm about a new policy or procedure has been extremely helpful. And, just expanding on that, just getting new policies and procedures made. Waybook has helped with that. We love the AI feature. We love just expanding on things that we've written out years ago. And we use that quick AI tool within Waybook to help us make it new and even better.
Do you have kind of any numbers that you can share with us about how Waybook has helped Hale Law?
I would say Waybook saved us $60,000. And I come up with that number thinking about an HR personnel member. We don't have one right now. Currently, we have an office manager, but we have about 30 team members. And the experts all say with 30 team members, you need an HR person in addition to an office manager. I think we've been able to be efficient and get things done, training, onboarding, and et cetera, without having an HR person, because we have Waybook. We have, everything written down, training videos, quizzes, and more right there for everyone to be able to use.
So I feel confident in the fact that Waybook has saved us tens of thousands of dollars simply because it makes the training cut down. Who do we have training our new employees? It's always one of your top team members, one of the most efficient team members, and it can take away weeks from them working on their cases and training a new person. But with Waybook, it cuts that training down more than in half. And in a field where we do personal injury, it's contingency fee basis. We get a % of the overall settlement of the case. Having one of our top team members not working on the cases, not fighting for the clients, but training a new employee, no doubt in my mind, we save tens of thousands of dollars using Waybook.
What would you say that this has meant to you in your role?
It's saved us time. Waybook has saved a tremendous amount of time, and I love that, because the less I'm working, the less I can do funner things, personal things, golfing, and more. So I love the time that Waybook has saved us.
As an individual and as a person, Waybook has given me a little bit more of a sense of peace. So I always want to be a good employer. I want to make sure that my staff knows what they need to do, when they need to do it, how they need to do it. And a lot of times before Waybook, I would tell a staff member, hey, you were supposed to do this. And they said, oh, no, I didn't think that was the policy. And then I had to think back in my own mind and think, did they ever get that email that I randomly sent out on a Tuesday at 3:45 or not? Were they even employed with us when I sent out that email 7 months ago? Now I know that they have the procedures. They've actually signed off. They clicked. I can see that they completed it. Waybook shows that they completed everything, that they reviewed everything. It's them saying, hey, I know this policy. And so I have peace of mind knowing that myself as an employer, I'm doing the right things and I haven't actually been the one who made the mistake. I know that they know the policy.
But what would you say surprised you about Waybook?
I thought it was going to be really hard to set Waybook up and get it going, get people on it. It was so much easier than that. It was a tremendous help, first of all, that Waybook helped us get our old onboarding info onto the platform and get it somewhat organized, in the way that we wanted it to be. And then it was super easy to just, reformat other things, add new things, use the AI to expand on things. And once the employees started to use it, we never heard any complaints about it. We only heard positive things.
What surprised me about Waybook is, even though I'm a younger attorney, still when it comes to all the tech stuff, I'm not necessarily the best. My partner, Patrick, he's the one he actually set up Waybook. But when it comes to using it, as I use it, I can easily go in and update it. I'm not super techy. If I want to update a new policy, I can just go in there with a few clicks of a button. I can decide, hey, this is something that's required for everyone to see, or this is something where it's a small change. It just needs to be updated, but people don't need to actually have to review it. So I think just how user friendly it is. It's a lot better than most programs that I've come in contact with, and we've taken on probably close to 40 different programs over the years, and this is definitely one of the easier ones to work with.
Where do you see the business in the next 6 to 12 months?
See us having more employees, more business, and just moving cases even better through the progression of the case. I really think that Waybook has helped with that because it's made employee onboarding so much easier, the training, moving around people from one place to another as needed. So, getting new business in and working on that business has never been easier. And I think, in 12 months from now, Waybook's just going to be helping out with that as much as it is today.
When it comes to the growth of Hale Law, we've been consistently growing every single year at double-digit rates. It's something that if you want to continue growth, you have to have processes and procedures in place. If you want to scale, everything has to be written down. It has to be in one spot. Everyone needs to know the role and what they're doing. And part of the reason why we've had this growth, one of the factors is definitely Waybook. And I see Waybook into our future and continuing to grow our policies and procedures within Waybook as our firm continues to grow.
So yeah, I'm not getting paid to review Waybook. I just like the product and I like the people as well. It's just easy to work with them. They get back to you right away. They are working day in and day out. I'm talking nights talking to us, and we really, really appreciate that about them.